In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get custom stickers on Discord. And if you want to test out stickers, then make sure to join my Discord server at discord.gg/RJAIN because we've uploaded a ton of awesome stickers for you guys to use. So yesterday on June 29th, 2021, Discord started to launch out custom stickers on Discord servers. Depending on how boosted a Discord server was, they would be able to upload stickers to it. So in this video, I'm first going to show you how you can use custom stickers, and then second, how to add them into your Discord server. Part 1. Using custom stickers. So as I said earlier, I've been uploading custom stickers into my Discord server at discord.gg/RJAIN, so feel free to join us. Now, to use a custom sticker, you're going to need to know the name of the sticker. In this case, this sticker is called Among Us. So to use them on Discord, there's two things you can do. You can either type in the name of the sticker after using a colon, as you can see over here, and then press on the sticker you want to use, and as you can see, it will send it in the chat. You can also head over to the new sticker picker in the bottom right corner of the Discord client, and over here you can see frequently used stickers and stickers that are in all of your Discord servers. So if we wanted to use one, all we have to do is send it in the chat. But there's a catch. You can only use custom stickers in the server that they're uploaded in, unless you have Discord Nitro, and more specifically, the full Discord Nitro version, the $9.99 one. If you have $9.99 Nitro, then you can go into any Discord server, and as long as the Discord server has given you the permission to do so, you can actually send custom stickers, as you can see over here. Now, you may be wondering, how can you get free Discord Nitro? Well, no worries, today's sponsor is Salad. Salad is a crypto miner app that's actually an official partner of Discord. While you're gone, let's say, eating a sandwich for lunch, you can leave Salad running on your computer and earn awesome perks, things like Discord Nitro, gift cards, or games. Now, you may be skeptical, is Salad too good to be true? How could you get free Nitro just for running an app on your computer? Well, I've used Salad myself. Salad is, again, an official partner of Discord, and they have over 829 reviews, giving them an excellent rating. But wait, before you go ahead and start earning Nitro with Salad, I actually have a secret for you. If you follow my steps, I'll actually get you started earning Discord Nitro twice as fast. In the description down below, click the Salad link. Then install the Salad app onto your computer. Once you log in and create your account, in the top right corner, click on your account name and then head over to the Referrals tab. Since Salad is sponsoring today's video, they're giving all of my viewers a 2x earning rate just by using code RJAIN under the Referrals tab. Thousands of my fans are getting started with Salad, and I think you should too. And as always, by using code RJAIN, you'll be supporting my channel, so thank you. Now let's move on to part 2, where I show you how to upload custom stickers into your Discord server. Head over to the server menu and then press server settings. Under the stickers tab, you'll see a list of the stickers that you've uploaded to your server. Now, in order to unlock the first level of 15 slots, you're going to need your server to be boosted to level 1 at least. To get your Discord server boosted, someone will need to have the $9.99 version of Nitro, which comes with 2 boosts, or someone in your Discord server will have to buy boosts for your server. Once you reach 2 boosts, you'll unlock level 1 and you'll be able to upload 15 slots for stickers. So to upload a custom sticker, first click the Upload Sticker button and then browse for a file. Now over here, let's say I just want to upload a random image. You'll see that it says that sticker was too big, stickers must be under 500 kilobytes. So I'll have a link in the description down below, which you can go to where you can actually upload an image such as a PNG and then compress it, meaning that the image size will actually become smaller. Now when we download this one and we upload it, you'll see that it works and allows us to upload the sticker. Now we're going to want to specify a sticker name. I'm going to name this RJAIN and specify a related emoji. Over here, I'm just going to choose sunglasses. Now we can press upload, and as you can see, the sticker has been added into our Discord. Now this time, let's say we want to upload this Among Us GIF. You'll see that it says unsupported file format, and you may be confused. Well, this is because Discord has stickers in a different format. It allows for APNG and Lottie files. To create an APNG, I'll have another link in the description down below. There you can actually upload a GIF, for example this Among Us GIF, and it will convert it into an APNG. Now be careful, as the quality may not be lossless, but it is still decent, and as you can see here, the sticker came out pretty nice. Now finally, we can head over to the server sticker picker and start spamming the stickers that we know and love. Now, how will stickers change the Discord ecosystem? Well, up until now, people have been using animated emojis primarily, and they've been using tiled emojis. So for instance, from the Sounds World Discord server, they have a sort of tiled emoji where they have different numbers in a sequence of an emoji, and when you string them all together, it forms a little character, as you can see here. Now, this is still pretty cool as it allows us to customize a variety of things. And for instance, in this one, we actually get a sort of horizontal emoji movement. But stickers may change this entirely because we can now take any GIF that we'd like, convert it into an APNG, and then upload it into our server. And as you can see over here, it comes out in a pretty high quality. In addition, for level 3 boosted servers, which there are a lot of due to the recent Epic Games promotion enabling tons of people to get Discord Nitro boosts, a lot of servers who are level 3 now have 60 custom stickers to upload. I personally think this is going to create a great demand for artists who can create custom stickers. But at the same time, there are some concerns with custom stickers as well. Anyone with Nitro could now upload sort of weird Discord stickers to their own server and then go to other servers and send those. In addition, we're not entirely aware of how fast people can send stickers, but with any Discord message, if stickers are able to go with that, people would be able to spam these things like crazy. So I think it's very important that Discord implements a specific permission for custom stickers. As you can see over here, Discord already has a permission for using external emoji, but having a separate one for custom stickers will go a long way to ensure that large servers that have tons and tons of members coming through every couple of minutes can actually prevent people from spamming stickers excessively. Now, custom stickers are going to be a huge value add for Discord as a company, and in case you haven't noticed, Discord has been releasing a ton of new Discord Nitro features recently, meaning more and more people might be purchasing Discord Nitro due to the abundancy of the perks that it has to offer, including now stickers. Further, custom stickers enable a very custom and personalized experience in many Discord servers. Even if you're just in a Discord server with some friends, if one of your friends has Nitro and decides to boost the server twice, well, just like that, you can now upload fun little Discord stickers, whether it be something personalized for your friends and acquaintances, or something like an inside joke, or even things related to the server itself, like factions and roles. I think Discord stickers are pretty cool, and you should definitely check them out. Now, if this was helpful, make sure to subscribe and watch my next video on another cool Discord feature coming out soon. I'll see you in the next one.